Good morning, all. Today, this is our lecture 3 on RDBMS. In this session, we are going to learn about the advantages of using DBMS approach. The first one is data security. Data security means it encompasses the measures to protect data from unauthorized access, misuse, or distraction, ensuring confidentiality, integrity, and availability. This involves various techniques and strategies, including access control, encryption, auditing, and monitoring. The second one is data integration. Data integration means it is the process of combining data from multiple sources in a unified view, often for analytic purpose. This involves consolidating data from various databases, spreadsheets, or other sources into a single, consistent format, making it accessible for analysis and reporting. The third one is data abstraction. It is it simplifies complex database system by hiding implementation details from users and developers, focusing on essential data aspects. This allows user to interact with data at high level without needing to understand the underlying storage mechanism. The fourth one is reduce data redundancy. To reduce data redundancy, utilizes normalization, which organizes data into smaller related table. This minimizes unnecessary duplications and improves data integrity. Reduce data redundancy. To reduce data redundancy, utilize normalization, which organizes data in smaller related tables. This minimizes unnecessary duplications and improve data integrity. The next one is improve consistency. Improved data consistency in DBMS is crucial for ensuring the accuracy, reliability, and integrity of stored data. It involves maintaining a state where data remains valid according to defined rules and constraints, even in the face of concurrent transactions. This is achieved through mechanisms like data validation, concurrency control, and the enforcement of asset property. The next one is data sharing. Data sharing in DBMS refers to the ability of multiple users or application to access and utilize the same resource. This key feature of DBMS enabling efficient information access and collaboration within an organization or between different entities. It involves mechanism for controlling concurrent access and ensuring data integrity. The next one is efficient data access and retrieval. Efficient data access and retrieval is achieved through technique like indexing, query optimization, and the use of appropriate database model. The last one is scalability and flexibility. Scalability and flexibility are crucial for businesses that need to adapt to changing demands and market conditions. Scalability refers to the ability of a system to handle increased workload or user traffic without performance degradation, while flexibility relates to the ability to adapt quickly to new requirements or business needs. Moving to the next topic, actor on scene. In a large database environment, many users interact with the system in different roles. These people are referred to as actor on the scene because they are directly involved with designing, using, and managing the database. Actors on the scene, in short, we can say users who interact directly with the database, such as database administrator, database designers, end users, and application programmers. The next one is worker behind the scene. Worker behind the scene means people who design and maintain the DBMS system, such as DBMS designers and developers, tool developers, operators, and maintenance personals. Now, the responsibilities of actor on the scene. The first one is database administrator. He is responsible to design, implement, and maintain data management system, ensure data consistency, quality, security, and proper design, install, configure, monitor, and optimize database performance, select and set up database software and hardware, decide on data storage method and access mechanism, define users and control data distribution in proper format and timing, maintain secure and manage organizational databases, collaborate with developers, system administrators, and IT staff for accurate and secure data access. Next is the responsibilities of database designers. Analyze organizational data to design database aligned with business needs, install and configure RDBMS on company servers, design schemas, create databases and structure data, manage user access, create, maintain data structure for smooth data flow, warehousing, and ETL processes, organize data using primary key and table relationship, optimize for performance, implement, maintain, and repair database for continuous operation, collaborate with database administrators, developers, and IT team for efficiency and reliability. Now, the next responsibility, the next person over here is application programmer. The responsibilities of application programmers are design and develop computer system application based on client's need, collaborate with analysts and developers to create software design, write efficient code and convert designs into working applications, test and debug systems for stability, performance, and security, integrate software into large systems and manage performance, create and manage Microsoft SQL database objects as needed, support data architecture, system upgradation, and bug fixes, research existing system to align with IT strategies, develop in-house tools, generate reports and reduce risk, maintain technical documentation and ensure timely delivery of solutions. Now it times to the knowledge check. So here the first question which is related to today's content is, what are the major advantages of using a DBMS over traditional file processing system? Who are the actors on the scene in DBMS? What are the primary responsibilities of database administrators as actor on scene? Who are considered the workers behind the scene in DBMS system? Why are workers behind the scene crucial for the smooth functioning of DBMS? So here we are winding up today's session. Thank you all. God bless.